This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, good morning. Guys, last class what we completed? We completed job-based configuration with scope and init method and what destroy method and components can with multiple packages, right? Components can purpose is what giving information to container. Go and check the annotations. Go and check the annotation, right? Yeah. Because today class we'll go with the you see application point of you can take the multiple configuration files also, guys. I can take the two configuration files. Then how can you make the two configuration files? How can we use the two configuration files in application? So if it's a big project means what? For the specific module, you'll take the specific configuration file. Another module, you'll take another configuration file, multiple configuration file. By runtime, we'll integrate everything in a single, right? Yes or no? How can we do that? We will see this example today. Whatever the requirement tell me, we will take the multiple configuration files. Some beans will configure first configuration files, another bean configure another configuration file. We need to run the project. We need to run the project, right? Exactly. Guys, can you please create the project? File menu, new. Tell me guys, file menu, new what? Project. You go for the Maven project. Click on what? Next. Click on what? Next. Pick start. Click on finish. Java config only. Artifact ID is what? Java config example number how much? 3. Click on what? Finish. This is Java config example number 3, right? As you know that first one is src main.java source code, src tester test code, jre by default 1.5, maven dependency by default they given the jinit, format xml file, project object model, right? Yeah, guys, let me take the this one Java config example 3 package name. It's fine, right? At the pointer, yes. Guys, let me take the two configuration files, two bean classes. How many configuration files? Two or three? Two and a for three? That's up to you. Two or three? You want three? You will take the two. Uh, you can take the class. What is a class? Take the class, ma. The class name is what? Tell me some bean names here. You can take the okay drinks. The class name drinks. You can click on the finish. First bean. Second bean is what? Fruits. New. I want take what? One more bean. Class. What we can take is uh, fruits. Second bean is ready. But can please take the third bean? Three classes you will take. You can take the class uh, vegetables. Okay, vegetables, right? Yeah. So B capital. Uh, click on what? Finish. Three classes are ready. But I'll take configuration files, one configuration, multiple configuration files are multiple configuration files. Okay. Let me take the class. New. I want to take the class. Yeah, this is like what we can say, application config one. Can I do like this? Application config one. I'm going to configure the drinks. Application config drinks. Can I do like this? Press application config one, config two, config three. Now application config what drinks configuration will be there here, right? Yeah, application config drinks one configuration file new. You can take the class. Tell me guys, application config uh, fruits. Yeah, fruits. Click on the finish. Third one is what application config vegetables. So you can take the application config like different modules. Think like vegetable is one module, drinks is one module, fruits is one module. Three different modules, three different configuration files, right? But container need only one starter. Container need how many starts? One starter. Application config veg, right? Exactly, vegetables. Click on what? Finish. Is that clear now? Good. Let's go to the drinks, ma. You can write some message about the drink. Public void. Uh, you can write a drink info, right? Drinks info. Drinks info. Uh, yeah. That is our control space. Tell me some drink names, ma. I like KF. KF means what? KF, right? KF. But but what the drinks, ma? Thumbs up. MH. Oh, toppa moments. No. KF is good. KF is good. Budweiser is good. Thumbs up is good. And the next one is what? Huh? Pulpia. Pulpy not allowed. Even thumbs up also not allowed here. Only come. Breeze. These are the technical names. Wait, these are what? Technical names. KF, Bud, Breeze. Tell me some more names. Then, huh? You got the point, right? Yes. That is a drink. Star no, yaar. This is like KF. It's like Sprite. This is like thumbs up. This is like Mirinda. Grape juice, huh? Sir, na. These are the technical names of the cool drinks, ma. Tec- Technical names of what? Cool drinks. Uh, Next one is what? Public wide. Tell me, guys. Fruits info. Fruit info. Tell me some fruit names. I can write the fruit name is what? Jankai. Jankai. Tell me some names. Jankai. Mavidikai. Ma- Mavidikai. Jankai. Mavidikai. Tell me some names, food names. Jankaya, Mavidikaya, ah, Puchakaya, Puchakaya. These are the fruit names, ma. These are technical names, yeah. Hey, these are technical names, ma. Jankaya, Mavidikaya, Puchakaya. These are fruits info, guys. Okay. Last one is what, ma? Vegetable info. Then you can take the public wide veg info. What, ma? Veg info is there, right? You can take the veg info. Yes, you can write a message. This is our control space. Tell me, guys, what are the vegetable names? Dondakai, don, dondakai, wankai, kakarakai, kakarakaya, merapakai. Dondakai, wankai, kakarakai, enough. But these are the technical names, man. Drinks names are what? KF, Bud, Breeze. Next one is what? Fruit names, ma. Jankai, Mavidikai, Puchkai. Vegetables are what? Dondakai, Wankai, Kakarakai. Dondakai, Wankai, and what? Kakarakai. Guys, now this is application config drink sum. To represent it is a configuration class. You need to address config is coming or not coming, amma? Why? Why dependencies we need to add? Can I copy the dependency from previous project? Internet. Internet. Okay, fine. Go for the Maven repository. Amma. This is Maven repository, right? In the Maven repository, you can type the Spring core. Click on the Spring core, search. Search Spring core you can take. In the Spring core, which version you want to select? 5.1.20. Like version. Some version we need to take 1.1120. Okay, this is a Spring core dependency, right? Yeah, just you can copy this and we need to make in the formed XML file, right? In formed XML file, dependency, here we need to add a dependency, right? At the point of yes. There's one more dependency required: Spring core and Spring context, right? Spring context. Click on the search. Spring context. Then we need to go with 5.1.20. 5.1. What? 20. Let me select this. Okay, just you can copy this. Tell me, guys, copy this. You need to place it. Yes. Okay, then you can go for the fruits config, cool drinks config. To make this class is a configuration class at the rate configuration. Tell me, guys, how to configure the drinks at the rate validation. Bean. Tell me, guys, at the rate bean. Public return type is what? Drinks. We have written the drinks object, right? Drinks object, drinks you can take. Okay. This is a method name. Return new drinks. Bus. Only drinks configuration. Like drinks related information will be there here, right? Yes. The second one is the fruits. Then you can take at the rate class configuration, right? At the rate what? Configuration. Then what you need to take at the rate bean, public fruits now. Then the return type should be what? Fruits. Because you need to return this object. That's what return type should be, that object. Okay, public fruits. Yes, you can take the fruits, right? This is a method name. By default, method name is a reference, right? Yeah. It's a return. Yeah, can be return new fruits. That's it. Last one is a vegetable configure. Then you need to make this one is what? Configuration class, number one. Number two is what? At the rate bean. Then you can take the public. Return type is what? Vegetables, right? Vegetables. Then you can take what? You can take what? Vegetables, right? Vegetables like this. Method name, this is method name, okay? Return new vegetable, right? Exactly. I think you are clear, right? Very much clear. Yes, then you can go for the app.java. Go for what? App.java. Yes, tell me now. Now this container, how to start the container, guys? Application context. Application context, context equal to new annotation based application context. See guys, container need to start one configuration file or three configuration file. Nothing, amma. Just you can give the three names here. That's all. What we need to do? Just three names here. Application. Tell me guys. Application config drinks dot class, comma. Tell me guys. Application config fruits dot class, comma. Application config veg dot class. That's all. Wait, nothing great. Just we need to make the three class names, right? First class name, second class name, third class name. That's all. So after giving the three class names, get the data. Get the data. Context dot what am I? Get bean. First bean is what? Let me configure like drinks. First definitely drinks important. So then you can write the drinks. Drinks dot class. Then you need to go with what? Drinks, right? Yes, drinks something like D. Enough. Let's simply run this code. Sysout control space what? D. Yes, can you please copy paste this code three times because three beans are there. Next one is what am I? Huh? Fruits. Then you can take the fruits dot class. Is like okay, fruits. This is like F. Then you need to print what am I? F. Third vegetables. Then you can take the what the name for the vegetables? You take the vegetable. Okay, fine. Because you can go for this one is what vegetables. We capital smaller small. Then this one is vegetable dot class. This is what vegetables. Then you can write the V. Because you need to print the V, right? So, we are printing the reference variables, ma, but you don't have the two string method, na? That's what D dot drinks info. Next one is what we have dot fruits info. Last one is what v dot veg info. Like this, we need to write the code, right? Yes. Guys, just we are giving what three files you are configuring like now three classes like three multiple beans are multiple configuration file. Then when you start the container, give information to container. Hey, container go this all the configuration files. That's all. Go this all the configuration files. How many configuration files? Ma? Three. Okay, Bhagwan अच्छा करे तो we'll get the all vegetables drinks अच्छा आता party party रहता है अच्छा नहीं तो no party. Yes, run this code अम्मा. Okay, we are doing hard work. भगवान अच्छा करेगा. We got the KF, Budweiser, Breezer, Jankai, Maudikai, Sakai, Dondakai, Wankai, Kakaragai. Getting all good? That is the one way to configure the classes. Right? Good. Guys, that's the one thing, Amma. You can use like multiple configuration file names here. That is the option one. Coming to the option two, guys, instead of giving the multiple configuration files there, we need to import one configuration file to another configuration file. Can I do what? Import, right? Which one is good? Giving the multiple configuration file is good. Import is good. Just let me import that configuration file, right? Yes, exactly. Yes, here, who is the head of out of these three configuration file? I given how many configuration files? Three. Who is the head of the department here? Drinks. That's what you remove this small people. Okay, here configuration files. Only app config drinks. This is a main file. Who is the main? Vegetables are no right. Drinks is a main. This drinks config file is a main file. Here I need to import the chota people. What are the chota people? Vegetables, fruits. Somewhere first drinks are there, then only those are required. Yes or no? That's what here. I need to go for what? Import. Wait, which one am I? Import, right? Import. Import of. We need to go for that. Import of what? That name. What the name of the file? Tell me. Just just to give the class name. What the class name here? App config fruits dot class comma. Next one is what? App con. No, one class is there. Fine. But let me take one more class. App config fruits. So next one is what? App config. What am I next one? Vector. Yes. Mm, app config. First one here is there. This is the first class. Comma. Next one is what? App config. Wait, this is the fruits. Next one is what? Veg. Veg dot class. That's it. You got a point, right? This is who is the main filer? Drinks. For the drinks, we are importing these files also, configuration files. When you start the container you are giving which file? This file. Then immediately the container can understand that okay, I need to go for these files also because when you go for this one, this is also required, right? That's what. So when you working with the drinks, these are required of fruits. Some fruits required, some vegetables also required. I got the pointer. Option one, give the three configuration files as when you start the container. Option one. Option two, while starting the container, you give only main file. In that main file, you can include what import the remaining jars. Import what remaining, right? You got the point, right? Only one file is there, you can normal import. If the multiple files are there, braces you have to write the code. Yeah, that is a way how to make the multiple configuration files. That's all. You understood, right? Huh? Who is the main file? Drinks. While when you drink something, you require some vegetables and we require some fruits. Stuff karamma. Baboy. We require some vegetables, fruits, amma. We imported, right? Like stuff only. Clear? Guys, can you please add one more drink to see the proper output? KF, Bird, Breeze, sometimes some name. Names, some technical name, tell me. KF, Twice. uh, huh? ఏంటది boom boom this is important actually we forgot boom boom is has been recorded. So like beer. So this is like what the name of the beer. Guys, you got the pointer. You can add one more kaya. So this is like what? Jankai, Mamadikai, Puchakai. Tell me some fruit name. Sapota kai. Sapota. Sapota kaya. Yes, vegetables. You can add one more vegetable. Gandakai, Venkai, Kakakai, Berakai, Berakaya. My son, no. As you can come to application. Here, while starting the container, you're one name. While starting the container, giving how many names? One name. This guy is importing remaining configuration files, right? Using statement import statement. You can import one configuration file or you can import multiple configuration files, right? Yeah. Definitely Bhagwan acha karega because they're important, right? Drinks important, wild drinks, remaining import, fruits important, vegetables important. Click on what? Run. Bhagwan acha karega. See, we got the boom booma, we got the sapota kaya, we got the bear kaya, right? Sir, na? Hindi people, some English people thinking that what these names? These are the technical names of your vegetables and the fruits names. Jankai, Momadikai, Putsakai, Sapotakai, Dondakai, Wankai, Kakagai, Barakai. Comment also they'll write Ratan sir is Kakagai. When someone is watching, Ratan sir is boom boom. Hey, example is clear? Huh? How many cases? Two cases. One case is give all the configuration file while start the container. But giving all the configuration while start the container, good or not good? Not good. You can give only one main file. In that main file, any other files are there, you can import. Import the remaining files. Clear? Yes. It's like the video, comment the video, share the video. ఆ, గోవర్ధన్ బెండకాయ అని చెప్పి బెండకాయ అంట ఈ గోవర్ధన్ నిమ్మకాయ హాట్ డ్రింక్స్ గోవర్ధన్ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ద రికార్డ్స్ ఆల్రెడీ షేర్ రైట్ జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్ వన్స్ those drinks are real world yes it's like very real world Telugu language names bro he's not bro he's sister brother yeah bye guys tomorrow we'll meet